Safety first, man. See, there's people over there, so crows won't come, but I'll still call them. Got one right up there. This individual's walking around collecting trash, checking out what I'm doing. I'm doing what everybody does on a Wednesday, riding bikes with a helmet on and calling crows with a light on my head. See that pointy chicken nose? I am a bird man. Left him some Dorito snacks. Still watching me over there. I'm gonna go ride that way. Gotta run these bases first. Here we go. First base. Second base. Third base. Home. Home. Come on.